Hey guys, it's Yancy here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get this super soft and adorable pink makeup look, which I think will be perfect for Valentine's Day and also Chinese New Year. I absolutely love this look since it's very versatile and easy to do. I'll be using a mixture of brands today because I got too excited. But don't worry, I'll be putting everything in the description box below. If you guys want to get this look, then keep on watching. To begin with, I'll be using the NARS Aqua Gel Mask. I've been using this a lot lately because the inconsistent cold weather is making my skin more dry than usual. I found that this mask instantly hydrates my skin, making it more bouncy and smooth again. Massage the gel onto your face and neck. Let it soak for around 5-10 minutes without wiping. Not forgetting our lips, I'll be using Laniege Lip Conditioner for rehydration. Once our face is rejuvenated, I'll be using the NARS Radiance Primer by balancing the skin color and removing any dullness in our skin. I'll be using the Sheer Glow Foundation by NARS in the color Fuji. To create this look, I chose this foundation as it is so lightweight and has a natural brightening effect. In this video, I only did one layer since I want to achieve the soft natural look. With a damp beauty sponge, use the bouncing motion to gently pat your face to blend away and remove any excess foundation. Okay, now we need to remove those dark circles. I'll be starting off with the peachy tone concealer, followed by a brightening concealer on top. In this look, I'll be using NARS Creamy Concealer Custard and then Vanilla. Applying the darker concealer like so, I'll then use my super adorable beauty blender around the eyes. Once that is all blended in, I'll be applying the brightening concealer in the shape of a triangle to really lift and brighten the eyes. And then I'll blend away. Great, so our base is almost there. We now need to set all our hard work and give this soft focus effect. Gently tapping my brush into the Mercier loose setting powder. I'll be using the powder under my eyes, my eyebrows, and in the areas that tend to shine. To make this look more youthful, we're going for straight eyebrows. Using the Benefit Goof Proof pencil, we will be starting at the end of the eyebrows and drawing outwards like so. I find this technique really good as it helps me balance out both eyebrow shapes. As you can see, the pencil is softly outlining the shape of the brow. Once the outline is there, I'll be using a spoolie to smoothen the brow out. We'll then be using the CANMAKE Eyebrow Powder to really seal the brow and clean up the areas by covering up any missed areas. By using the powder after the pencil makes the eyebrows last a lot longer. Then using the spoolie again to soften the edges. I'm going to be using the NARS Eye Primer to make sure that the eyeshadow is smooth and long lasting. If you don't have a primer, you can always use a concealer for this part. Using our fingers, gently pat the primer onto the eyelids and finish it off by setting it with some powder. I want to create something that can be used every day. I'll be starting out with this soft peachy red matte colour called Fool's Rush in my Hello Colourpop palette as my transition shade. Using my Smashbox No. 10 crease brush, we're going to be using the windshield wiping motion to gently blend out just above the crease line. Slowly building up the colour is going to give off an illusion of a higher crease to make the eyes appear bright and wide. Once our transition shade is blended in, we're going to be taking this candy pink shade called Nude Pink in the Pony Memebox. I'm going to be gently applying this in the inner corner of the eyes to create a softer look. I love this colour, it's so pretty since it has these fine subtle shimmers. Using the shade Shine ID Pink to add more depth to this look, we will simply be following the outer V of our eyes by using a small dense brush to go back and forth on our top lash line with alternating circular motions towards our crease. To make the eyeshadow seamless, we are now going to use the big crease brush again to slowly blend the eyeshadows. Using the same dense brush, we are now going to use the ash brown shade and follow the corner of the lash line and slowly bring the line a bit higher so we can elongate the eyes. Taking this colour, Champagne Pink, called Candygram from our Colourpop palette, we are going to use the smaller crease brush and gently blend some in the middle of our eyelids as a brightening shade. Using the remaining amount, dust some in the inner corner of the eyes and under the eyelids. Automatically, our eyes look so much bigger and brighter. Now, using the brown eyeliner, we'll be tightlining the upper lash line to give the appearance of fuller lashes and bigger eyes. In this video, I'll be using Bobbi's brown long wear gel eyeliner with the Smashbox angle brush to gently draw in the waterline and our lash roots. I love this technique since it creates the natural looking lashes without piling on the mascara. Already, our eyes look so much bigger. We're now going to take a brown gel pencil for our bottom waterline. Here I'm using Visee, which is a Japanese brand. I honestly highly recommend this eyeliner because it does not smudge. Using another Japanese brand, MoteLiner, we are now going to use this black liquid eyeliner to be drawing on top of the lash roots, starting from the inner corner of the eyes outwards. To make this look more dreamy, we are going to draw a slight wing upwards from both eyes. Our look is almost complete. Curling our eyelashes with these eyeshadow colours, I'm now going to be using Kiss Me Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara on both my top and bottom lashes. Since this look is very focused on the eye, you can do a second layer of mascara for a bolder effect. This really depends on the thickness of the mascara. We are almost done with this look. I'll be first removing the previously applied lip conditioner and applying a pink based lipstick. Here I'm using a bright pink shade from Etude House. Since I'll be using this pink shade as a base, gently tap a small amount. To complete this look, I'll be using the 501 Giorgio Armani, a natural rose shade on top of this pink base colour for more of a complete sexier look. All that is left is contouring. We'll be using a fluffy brush to apply a contour. Here I'll be using Makeup Forever 140 wavy brush to apply Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronzer. Using a small amount, I'll be starting with the curve of the brow bone. We are going to bring the brush down to the side of the nose. This will open up the eyes and make it appear that we have a higher nose. And the same goes for the other side. With the remaining bronzer, we are going to use a V motion at the tip of the nose. In circular sweeping motions, we are going to start from the top of the cheekbones all the way down to the apple of your cheeks. And also near the hairline to create a smaller face shape. And also under your lips to create more definition. Using the same motion, we're going to do the same for the jawline down to the neck. I chose to use a powder contour today since it is much softer than a cream base. We'll be using I Like Your Face palette by Colourpop because the colours are simply like crushed magical unicorn dust. They are so pigmented, so make sure you don't apply too much in one go. I'll be using Smashbox fan brush to help us lightly dust the colour upgrade onto the highest point of our cheekbones. We'll then use the remaining of the brush to highlight the bridge of the nose, followed by the forehead and then the upper cubics, and then the upper lips in the cubics area. To finish this look, I have chosen this peachy pink colour called Orgasm by NARS. Using a dome powder brush, I'll be applying this soft peachy colour on my cheeks and a little bit above the contoured cheekbones. With the remaining powder on the brush, we're going to finish off with a healthy youthful glow by lightly brushing it over our face. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will also love to hear from you guys, so let me know your thoughts about this makeup look in the comment section below. Or you can follow me on social media with the links in the description box below.
It's so sad. Literally just fell out.
Okay, see you guys next time.